Right guys, all the festive foods are out now in Marks and Spencer's. This is what you can have for your dinner time. Right, I just got this straight away. Gingerbread milkshake, right, getting one of them. Also the other drink, they've got a cloudy lemonade. They've also got this one here. They've got king prawns. They've always got peanut butter and jam. Look at those little gingerbread men. You've got these ones here. Turkey, bacon and cranberry sausage rolls. You've got a turkey shawarma. You've got a veggie roast wrap. You've got turkey fest pasta. You've got pigs in blanket, Christmas club, turkey feast gluten-free, and brie in cranberry. Right, I'm going to get this one here, a Christmas club. Also, a big shout out to Marks Spencer's for doing something really good. Right, so I'm back in the car now, guys. I'm so excited to try this gingerbread one though first. But we've got loads of really good goodies there to try. So yeah, let's give them a try, see what the best was, and review them. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. That is... Oh, do you want to help?
Yeah, I want to help out.
That is unreal. No wonder the big bottles are all sold out.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Is that gorgeous?
That's beautiful.
Oh, that is absolutely
really
amazing.
Good.
That is
so good.
If this review doesn't go to plan, then just at least go and get that gingerbread milkshake. Right, first off, what are we doing then, Lou?
We'll go for sandwiches.
Right, which one did you pick?
I went for the turkey feast.
The turkey feast. Did you do a gluten-free one as well?
And you went for the Christmas club.
Well, I like a club sandwich. You know what club stands for, don't you?
Christmas.
Cucumber, lettuce.
No.
Under bacon.
No, chicken. Chicken.
Yes, chicken. That's
well,
it.
This one is Christmas club chicken.
Christmas club chicken. Right, so I'm taking Lucy's and she's taking mine.
I don't know about this one. It's got a lot of pickles on it.
Is it triple-y? Is it triple-y?
Well, yeah, it's a club sandwich, Mark.
Right, yours is a cranberry, turkey, bacon.
Ooh, it looks good though.
And stuffing. I'm going to eat it like you today. Oh, that's good. That is really good. I'm going to give that solid 8 out of 10 for a sandwich. That bread is so soft.
6 on that one for me.
6?
Mm-hmm.
6 for Marks Spencer's food. There is a lot of pickle, isn't there?
9.
There's a lot of pickle on that. Oh, red cabbage, is it? Oh, yeah.
That one.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous. I think I prefer like the two breads rather than the 3 breads.
Very pickly. Yeah.
This one is a good one.
I give it like a 7. I think yours better. I'll still eat it, but
a good 8.5, 9 for that one.
Yeah, overall I'm going to give this one like a 6, 7.
Yeah, agree.
A 6, 7. Yeah, yours 8, 9. Yeah, I'll agree.
Agree.
Right, what's next then, Lou?
Turkey feast pasta. So it's shredded turkey, bacon and stuffing in a mustard and maple dressing with a gravy dressing pot.
Oh, and look, I got 2 forks.
And you know what? Might be a really good idea to reconstruct this as well. So that is the gravy pot there. Mark, do you want to open this? I bet this is nice warm as well.
It's cold gravy. Just tip that on, yeah?
Well, yeah, I think we're meant to warm it up, but you know we can get...
Well, no, it's food on the go, this.
It is food on the go, yeah.
Right. There we go. Right.
There we go, with food on the go. Well, let's get a bit of everything we've got.
Let's fork away.
Stuffing, some pasta. Oh!
Is the gravy nice?
That overtakes the sandwich for me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
What is that gravy? What is that gravy, Lou?
I think it's also the maple dressing as well.
It is maple dressing with gravy dessert pot. That is unreal.
Now, we weren't going to pick that up, and I'm so glad we did.
That is absolutely...
So we can have that warm. So look at that.
Absolutely gorgeous. 10 out of 10.
It's really good, that. Also, as well, 5% of sales from this item will be given to shelter.
Very nice. What are you rating it?
Oh, easy. 9.
9. I give it a 10, so about a 9.5 total. Right, finally, the one I've been waiting for. This is spiced peanut butter and jam.
Spiced?
With gingerbread. Oh, you can't say men, can you? Gingerbread people, is it? Or can you say men? Can we say men anymore?
Say anything that you like.
Gingerbread men, gingerbread women, gingerbread people. I mean, like, I've always called them gingerbread men.
Hard and crunchy.
Let's have a go. Oh, yeah. They're amazing.
Agree.
Amazing.
Agree.
Right, rate all this. Would you buy it again?
Oh, 100%.
100%.
Not that club sandwich.
No?
Gingerbread milkshake. These, the pasta.
The milkshake and the pasta was the ones for me.
Definitely.
And there you go, guys. Go to Marks Spencer's, give it a try. There's loads more options as well. It's open all Christmas.
Vegan and vegetarian as well.
Vegan and vegetarian. Take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.